I saved $300 last week because I don't buy moleskin notebooks, and I saved the moles. I've tried a lot of tablets over the years, but I circle back to the same thing: paper. Paper is where ideas start. Paper is how I learn. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the reMarkable Paper Pro Move, and it's got paper on lock. Let's take a look. This is the reMarkable Paper Pro Move, and it's basically my always with me paper tablet. So while I like paper, guys, there's a problem with it. And anybody that's like me that has notebooks, they get messy. And when you need a note and you want to find it, you got to dig through 10 different notebooks to see where you left it. With the Paper Pro Move, you don't have to do any of that, guys. It's always there. It's stackable. There's folders, there's highlights, annotations, everything you can do with paper and then some. And you can even turn them into PDFs and put them on your computer. The Move is 7.3 inches and about 230 grams, and it's crazy thin. So it carries like a notepad, not a tablet. So not only is it thin, it's got a great battery. It's rated up to 2 weeks, and they claim a 10-minute charge can give you about 3 days worth of battery. You get multiple pen tools, layers, and the kind of little digital superpowers that don't break the flow. Undo, move things around, perfect shapes. Guys, it can do it all, and you can stay in that paper mindset.
Are you tired of explaining the same thing over and over again? Training, onboarding, helping customers. Imagine never having to explain something ever again. Meet Scribe, the brilliantly efficient AI platform that quietly records what you do and turns that into a step-by-step guide automatically. Everyone can follow exactly what you did without you actually being there. Now watch the magic happen in real time. I'm just gonna hit Start Capture, and then I'm gonna walk through my process. In this case, I'm training on a script writing process, and then boom, Scribe instantly turns everything I just did into a full step-by-step guide. Now all I have to do is share my new Scribe with my team, and they're completely up to speed. And they can even use the Guide Me feature to walk them through each step in real time right in the browser. So the next time somebody asks how to do something, I don't have to explain it. I just send a Scribe. Teammates, customers, clients, fellow departments. Scribe allows me to focus on what's actually important. The bottom line is I get my time back. If you're somebody who repeats any digital task, Scribe is a must-have. Create once and then scribe it forever. Literally the perfect tool for onboarding. In fact, scribers save on average 35 hours per month. So just head on over to scribe.how/kingy or click the link in the description to get started for free. And you could also unlock even more powerful features with Scribe Pro. All right, back to the video.
All right, so let's talk about some of the AI features. We're an AI channel. Let's look at that. Here's the first one. With one tap, it can convert handwriting into typed text. So the Paper Pro Move's handwriting conversion is powered by MyScript. And reMarkable notes that bullet points are supported. So simple structure like bullet points, to-do lists, they actually carry through when you do the transition. So converting is a great feature, but another one I really like is the search feature. This one is fantastic. If you have a Connect subscription, and it's purely optional, you do not need to get it, but if you do have one, you can search inside handwritten notes, not just titles. So if you wrote something down a month ago or a couple weeks ago, just put in the search bar what you're looking for, and it will find that document. Piece of cake. reMarkable lists the handwriting search. It's in beta right now, but it's a Connect feature, and it rolls out via software updates. So over time, it's only going to improve. Not trying to sell you on it, guys. I just know guys like me that have messy handwriting and messy notes. It comes in handy. All right, continuing along the AI path, not only can you create AI notes or convert them to text, you can also put that into Slack. Using AI, you can take notes, you can take sketches, and directly drop them into Slack and share them with your coworkers, your colleagues. One click, easy to do. Now let's talk about the stuff that turns this from a device into a workflow. You've got folders, tags, and search built in for staying organized. Also, for reading, the Read on reMarkable Chrome extension lets you send web articles to your reMarkable account so they show up clean and distraction-free. The reMarkable Paper Pro doesn't try to be everything. It tries to be the best place to think, and then quietly makes those thoughts searchable, shareable, and usable later. If you want to see how I use it day to day, things like journaling, meeting notes, to-do lists, idea capture, hit subscribe, and I'll link the Paper Pro Move below. Now, from an artist perspective, I know you're thinking, hey, what the heck? But this is fantastic. For those of you that like to sketch, for me, for example, I use Photoshop, I use AI, create tons of AI videos, image generations, thumbnails, sketches, etc. This is great. It's got up to 5 separate layers. So those of you that use Photoshop, you know what I'm talking about here. You can create layers, you can export them, you can, again, put them into various things like Google Drive or OneDrive. Create some sketches, share them with your friends. It's easy to do and it's all built in, piece of cake. Now that's a quick overview of the reMarkable Paper Pro Move. Do keep in mind that there's a lot more things you can do. And if you ever feel like there's something you want to do and you're not sure how to do it, they have built-in guides and they are fantastic. Things like the various gestures, various integrations, how to do pretty much anything. It's built in, they're easy to access, and it's pretty wild. All right, so who's the Paper Pro Move for? Well, here's the thing. It's not an e-reader. It's not a tablet. It is literally a productivity device. If you are disorganized like I am, or you just want to get into one of those flow states and Zen states that people talk about, you've heard all the tech boys talk about it, and you don't want distractions, pop-ups, notifications, TikToks, Instagrams, this is the device for you. It allows you to stay on point. It allows you to stay locked in and get what you need to get done with focus. So there it is, guys. It's a great device. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Do keep in mind that this is not cheap. It costs a few bucks, so you got to weigh whether or not it's worth it for you. For me, it's worth it because of the type of things that I do. But again, you decide. Also, click on the link in the description below to give it a crack, and also remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.